Direct-to-film complete printing process. First, we install the heat transfer film. Then turn on the power switch of the printer. Then turn on the emergency stop switch. Import the image should be printed into Photoshop for production. Hold down the Control key and click on the layer. In the Select menu, find Modify and select Contract. Set the value according to the image to facilitate white ink coverage. We zoom in on the image to view the contract range and confirm that it meets the requirements. You can also use other cutout techniques to select the desired image. Then enter the channel interface and click the menu icon. Then create a spot channel and confirm. Name it as 1 for white spot channel printing, and name it 2 for varnish spot channel printing in UV printer. Place the spot channel at the bottom. Finally, save it in TIFF format. Don't forget it must be selected as spot color to save. After saving the image, we open Flexi software. Import the image, click Job. Set the job properties. Check the channel first. Then select the output format. Export and save. Open Hosan Soft. Select the image you want to print. Set the number of prints to 10. Set the amount of white ink to 80%. Clean the print head. Print and nozzle test. And check if there is any problem with the print head. Perform the printing operation. When printing starts, turn on the power of the powder shaker. Pick up the heat transfer film from the front of the powder shaker and place it on the guide belt. Then turn on the suction function of the powder shaker to fix the heat transfer film. And set the front heating plate and drying tunnel temperature. Turn on cooling fan. Open dusting. Shaking function. Turn on the guide belt to convey the film. Finally, switch from manual to auto mode. Place the powder blocker on the heat transfer film. Turn on the power of the smoke filter. During the process, you can check the drying quality. Adjust the parameters of the powder shaker according to the drying situation. Wait for the printed film to be transferred to the end of the guide belt. Fix the heat transfer film with tape. Turn on the power of the paper collector. At this time, you can turn off the suction function to save energy. After printing is completed, we still need to wait for the heat transfer film to be dried by the powder shaking machine. After printing, clean the print head. After cleaning, print the nozzle test again. We confirm that the nozzle status is normal. Move out the carriage and put the moisturizing liquid into the ink cap to maintain the head. Return the carriage to its original position. You should exit Hosonsoft first. Then turn off the printer's emergency stop to avoid Hosonsoft data anomalies. Turn off the printer for emergency stop and the power. Note that if it is a printer with automatic moisturizing and circulation functions, the power needs to be kept on. Turn off the smoke filter. Take out the printed heat transfer film. Use scissors to cut out the piece to be transferred. Start the double station heat press machine. Lay the clothes flat on the heat press platform. Put the transfer film on it for heat pressing. Take out the fabric after the heat pressing is completed. Wait for the temperature to drop to room temperature. Tear off the heat transfer film on the fabric. The exquisite pattern has been transferred to the fabric. Please make sure you have watched the complete video and understood all the points. If you have any questions, please contact our technical staff.